Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and today we're going to be talking about NIO stock. Before we start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, join the family, guys, and let's go on our investing journey together. So I know NIO has been in the news a lot of people have been talking about NIO. And if you guys don't know what NIO is essentially a EV company, kind of like Tesla, but it's based out of China. I made another video about NIO. If you check out my channel, and you can get a little bit more kind of information about that. But the reason I'm making a video about NIO today is now is actually a really good time to pick up NIO, and here's why. So, you know, a lot of these EV companies are coming up, but to me personally, I think NIO is one of the biggest ones. I think this one has not a better chance. I'm not bashing on other EV stocks, but I think NIO does have a really good chance to actually be the next Tesla. If you guys take a look, it did take a little bit of a hit on Friday's trading session, and that's because if you take a look at the bottom here, they have a 75 million offering of shares, but in the short term, this may not look good because a lot of people think when you put more shares on the market, it does dilute the value of the stock and stuff like that, which theoretically it does, but I like the direction NIO is going, because the reason why companies do this, guys, is so that way they can have more capital expand. I know NIO's already expanding to Europe, which is crazy, and then soon enough they're going to be expanding to the United States. I've seen some of their cars, guys, online, and they're absolutely beautiful. They're like high performance electric cars, kind of like Tesla, but I really love the way they looked, and I think NIO, guys, this could be the actual next Tesla. It's already branding itself as the Tesla of China. And, you know, the Chinese market is really, really strong. I do see NIO being, I honestly do recommend picking up NIO. NIO does have a lot of potential to grow. I honestly don't think it's going to take as long for NIO to get as big as Tesla did, because if you guys don't know, Tesla was founded in 2003. It did take time before Tesla actually got itself on the road, was started making profit in cars and stuff like that. And I think just because when Tesla was founded, you know, the EV market wasn't really a big market at the time. Tesla was the first company to actually start implementing like luxurious, fast EV cars. NIO was right behind it, and it's going to be the same thing, guys. Like, you have to understand that since Tesla's business model was successful, NIO is essentially going to do the same thing and copy that business model, or if not, make it very similar. So it's not going to take NIO as long as a time to make a profit. And to me personally, I like the way NIO is going, the direction it's headed, guys. I like how they're doing more shares so they can gain more capital to expand faster, open up more factories, produce more cars and stuff like that. This is what a company needs to do. Taking a look from it at the investor standpoint, if you were to buy this stock right now and hold it for 5 years, I mean, you're guaranteed a huge return at some point. I'm not saying it's going to be $2,000 like Tesla. No, I'm not saying that. But guys, NIO is the next. It's a huge growth stock. It's going to have that growth. A lot of big investors are behind it. It's getting a lot of analyst upgrades as well. I know recently they just had a 1,500% analyst upgrade for the stock itself. And you know, NIO is going far places, guys. A lot of people are starting to notice NIO. It's a huge company that's going to be based out of China. And, you know, you have to understand, like I said, with the whole EV market booming, this market's here to stick, and it's going to be around for the next 20 to 30, 40 years, maybe forever. Who knows? I know companies are already planning on going full electric because gas is not only expensive, but it's bad for the environment and stuff like that. I think NIO is one of those, you know, this one is basically like the Tesla of China. It's Tesla competitor as well, because they actually do produce fast, luxurious electric cars. If you take a look at like Nikola Motors and any other EV stocks, some of them specialize in like bigger, like kind of electric trucks, which is also a whole nother topic. That market's also going to be huge as well. But NIO specializes in fast, luxurious electric cars. Guys, I do recommend picking up NIO shares. I mean, the growth story is there. The company is expanding like crazy, and a lot of people are investing in it retail wise, and there's a lot of big bank investors and big time investors in the stock as well. I do recommend picking up NIO because who knows, down the line, guys, 1 year or 2 year, this could be $100 share, you know, and right now it's sitting at $18. It's an absolute steal, especially with the growth of the EV market. It's super rampant. It's growing like crazy. But with that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. But guys, I do recommend picking up some NIO shares. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what do you think of NIO? Would you pick up some NIO shares? Thank you guys for clicking on the video. Have a great day.